Curious about the fuse box locations in your 2025 Mazda 3? Wondering what each fuse controls and how to identify them? This guide provides detailed diagrams and explanations to help you manage electrical components efficiently and confidently. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2025 Mazda 3 houses essential fuses for interior electronic systems like power windows, dashboard lights, and infotainment. It provides quick access for troubleshooting electrical issues. The cover often includes a fuse diagram for easy identification. Replacing the fuses on the vehicle's left side. If the electrical system does not work, first inspect the fuses on the vehicle's left side. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2025 Mazda 3 houses essential fuses for the vehicle's major systems, such as the engine and cooling fans. It provides circuit protection for high current components. The box ensures electrical stability and safe operation. Replacing the fuses under the hood. If the headlights or other electrical components do not work and the fuses in the cabin are normal, inspect the fuse block under the hood. If a fuse is blown, it must be replaced.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse, glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse, ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse, PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse, fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box. Identify the faulty fuse. Remove the faulty fuse. Inspect and obtain a replacement. Install the new fuse. Test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.